Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by shutting down the P47 and unplugging power to avoid data corruption. Remove any external peripherals so the chassis is clear. Next, flip the unit and find the SD bay cover marked or outlined. Unscrew or unclip it carefully. Keep screws in a safe place and use a short magnetized screwdriver if available. Once the cover is off, visually confirm the slot orientation and any retention mechanism before you touch the contacts or card. Now hold the micro SD by its edges and align contacts with the slot. The P47 typically requires contacts down and the label facing up. Insert straight, do not force, and push until you feel a soft click indicating it's latched. If the model uses a push release, press once to lock. If it has a tray, seat the tray then slide it back. Once seated, visually check the card sits flush, and the slot mechanism returns to its normal position to ensure. Replace the access cover and tighten screws evenly. Avoid over-torquing plastic bosses. Reconnect power and boot the P47. Open your file manager or system storage settings to confirm the card mounts and shows capacity. Once recognized, format or partition according to your needs, but back up first. If the card isn't detected, power down, remove and reseat it. Try the card in another reader, or test a known good card to isolate hardware faults. This single troubleshooting step resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.